Myntra, one of biggest fashion platforms backed by billions, but the enforcement directorate says 1,654 crore in FPI they raised was built on a lie. Here's the full story. Most of you know Myntra, online fashion, Flipkart backed foreign investors, massive scale, looks completely legitimate on the surface, but dig a little deeper and the ED found something very different. FDI rules. Here's what you need to understand. Foreign investment is allowed in Indian wholesale businesses, but foreign funded companies cannot directly sell to Indian consumers. That's called multi-brand retail and it's prohibited. Myntra allegedly crossed that line and then tried to hide it. The core allegation. Myntra told regulators it was a wholesale business, but in reality, it was selling directly to Indian consumers every single day. They declared one thing and did something completely different on the ground. Vector e-commerce. To cover their tracks, Myntra routed all sales through a related company, Vector e-commerce. On paper, Myntra was doing wholesale, Vector was doing retail. Clean structure, right? Wrong. The ED saw straight through it. Some group, same people, same operation. The 25% rule. Under India's FDI policy, a wholesale company cannot sell more than 25% of its sales to its own group companies. Myntra's sales to Victor blew past that limit by a significant margin. That single breach triggered the entire FEMA case. What is FEMA? FEMA, the Foreign Exchange Management Act, controls every rupee of foreign money that enters India. If FDI is raised for one purpose and used for another, that's a violation. The ED filed this case under Section 16(3) of FEMA. The consequences: heavy fines, asset seizure, and years of legal proceedings. Timeline. Here's how it unfolded. FDI raised sales quietly routed through Vector. The 25% cap breached. ED investigates. ED concludes this was retail disguised as wholesale. Case filed. Bigger picture. And here's the real warning. Myntra is not alone. Dozens of foreign-backed businesses in India have used similar structures for years, but this case sends a clear message. The ED is no longer looking at how FDI was declared. They're looking at how it was actually used. The era of creative structuring to bypass FDI rules is over. If your business has foreign investment or you're planning to raise FDI, now is the time to get your compliance reviewed. Don't wait for a show cause notice. Reach out to FEMAbyte advisors today. Visit femabyte.com or call us at 9933385556.